Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video, we are unboxing a Fashionphile piece that I find is very iconic, and plus it is also an item that I already have in my collection. You all know I'm a repeat handbag offender, so I just had to snag up this piece and also add it to my collection. If you're interested in seeing what I have to unbox, please stay tuned. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. Also give this video a thumbs up and also turn on your bell's notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. If you are ready to dive into today's unboxing, let's get right into today's video. So, like I said, this is an unboxing video. This piece that I'm gonna unbox for you all today is a piece that I already have in my collection. If you can guess what it is, just pause this video, comment down below what you think this handbag is, and then once you've commented what you think this handbag is, just go ahead and resume playing this video. So, without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Disclaimer. So, I thought I was gonna do an Instagram unboxing with this handbag. I tried filming it. I don't know what was going on, but it just was not working out. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and film it so I can upload it on YouTube, and I'll just post pictures on Instagram. So I've already seen the handbag. I've already kind of like unboxed it and opened up the box. But we'll get into that. I did purchase this item from Fashionphile. Fashionphile, if you are watching, y'all just need to go ahead and put me on y'all's ambassadors list or something, because I am always buying from you all. But this is the box that it came in. Ooh, my bag just a paper just fell out. This is the box that it came inside of. You see the white envelope, that's where the receipt is. You get your nail filer, box of confetti. It tells you a thank you, all of that good jazz. My bag was wrapped up in this paper that fell out of the box with the Fashionphile sticker on the front. And then, just like all Fashionphile items, they come inside the Fashionphile dust bag. So, without further ado, 3, 2, 1, here is my item that I purchased from Fashionphile. I honestly feel like the camera and the lighting isn't doing this bag justice, but if you guessed a backpack or Prada nylon backpack, you all are correct. Yes, I already have one of these backpacks in my collection already. This size is a little bit larger than the one that I have. The red Prada backpack, I have 2 videos on my channel already. So if you want, you can go back after this video to watch those videos, the unboxing and my review on the handbag. But after reviewing that handbag, I really sat and thought about it, and I was like, I really do enjoy my Prada nylon backpack for travel purposes, work purposes, just running around doing errands, all that kind of good stuff. And it is really a convenient bag. The only difference in this nylon backpack and my other one is that the pockets, even though they have buckle closures, they do have zippered pockets. And this one is just a buckle closure in the main compartment and a drawstring, whereas the other nylon backpack that I have is a buckle closure and a snap closure and a drawstring closure. So this one just has one main closure, which is totally fine. And another difference in my opinion is that this particular bag that I'm presenting to you all in this video is slightly larger than my other Prada nylon backpack. So I feel like if I needed to, I could possibly fit my laptop in here. I'm not 100% sure, but I know that more items can fit inside of this handbag. This handbag is very iconic. Like the nylon Prada backpacks are very iconic. I know a lot of people were buying the vintage ones just because of the early 2000 or Y2K style that was coming back, and they were pretty popular. Also, these backpacks are so great because they are easy to travel with, and they're easy to wipe off if you get any dirt or water on them. Like, they're literally perfect, and they're literally comfortable. So this backpack, actually, let me just show you. This backpack is in it's almost like an olive green with brown leather detailing with gold hardware. The straps are adjustable at the bottom of the strap, like down here for example. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up on it, but this is where you adjust the straps. And they have the back stuff, so let's get right into her. And because I loved my other one so much, I was just like, I need to get another color. I did see the exact same bag that I have from Rebag, the red Prada one on Rebag in black. And again, I didn't want another black backpack, but I did want a neutral backpack that wasn't so loud and in your face like the red one. So Fashionphile stuffed the bag. It came stuffed with bubble wrap. And so it is just literally one large bucket compartment. This particular bag only has one pocket in the back. It's a zipper pocket, whereas my other Prada nylon bag had two back pockets. It had a slip pocket and a zippered pocket. This one just has a zipper pocket, which is completely fine with me. And you can just see how spacious this bag is. And I literally suggest these backpacks over any other backpack that's on the market. They're just so easy and convenient, and they're bags that don't even break the bank. So you get a good sized bag for a decent price, and I feel like everybody should at least own one of these backpacks in their collection. You see it has the brown leather pull tab and drawstrings throughout the bag, and the hardware you see is gold hardware. But yeah, I plan on doing a comparison video of everything that fits inside of my Prada nylon backpack and in this one, to show you all how this one is a tad bit larger than the other one. But in the meantime, just make sure to check out my my Prada nylon backpack review on the one that I currently own before this one. So I just wanted to share this backpack with you all, and these are very functional. You can use them as baby bags, everyday bags, like I said, work bags. These are just great bags, and I highly recommend you get your hands on a Prada nylon backpack before it's too late. Also, if you don't want to buy a pre-loved one, the website, Prada's website, do have a lot of different backpacks, some in like brighter colors. You can have a black option, but I think they're all medium size. I don't think they have any small or large, so they're all medium size, unless you check the men collection. They might have larger nylon backpacks, but I know for like women, they have like the medium size, which I'm assuming this would be considered like a medium sized one. And yeah, so if you like today's content, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you all for all the love and support that you do show on this channel, and make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I am still, you know, trying to stay active on Instagram as well as here on YouTube while I'm back at work. So until next time, my loves, I will talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye. Mwah.